So someone has said that our vlog should have a beginning, a middle, and an end. That you should structure your vlog, but that's too much work. We won't be able to do it. We might do it for one day, but we don't want.
इतनी मुश्किल से तो रेगुलर में
हाँ नहीं हम कर भी नहीं पाएंगे because our day our day also starts very like unstructured way and then it ends in a very unstructured way. In any case, what's on your face and what did you just do now?
So I just shaved my face and then I applied a very beautiful mask.
When so I'll put that video of her shaving the face.
I keep eating it also.
So what is on your face?
Passion fruit, honey and yogurt.
Is it in that video that you just took?
Yes.
Okay.
And also you can eat this.
You can just scoop it off your face, मुंह से निकालो और बस खा लो.
हाँ, मतलब
Great.
एक चम्मच खा सकते हो.
But are you excited for today's match? यहाँ के 5:30 बजे हैं and we are supporting
CSK.
We are support-
CSK for life.
for life.
पता नहीं अब अगली बारी पीयूष कहाँ जाएगा but फिर इस साल तो
Basically, we are supporting CSK because of Piyush Chawla. Do you want to tell them how did we meet Piyush Chawla?
yes I want to tell you guys.
Don't take credit because वैसे तो मुझे मम्मी से पूछना चाहिए.
अच्छा तो एक बच्चा था जो हम जयपुर गए थे हॉलिडे पे मेरी फ्रेंड की शादी थी उससे पहले मेरा बर्थडे था.
When she says holiday, she means बाबू बाजार में shopping. That is what they did. दोनों बच्चे होटल में छोड़ के.
In fact on my birthday as well and my mother is like जल्दी कर घर पे बच्चा है. मैंने कहा मेरा बर्थडे मम्मी मैगी खाने दो at least. And I went to that rooftop thing and I ate Maggie last.
Yeah.
इतनी जल्दी आ गया मेरा बर्थडे इस बारी.
Yeah.
So हम जयपुर में होटल में गए थे ITC.
Yeah.
And वहाँ पे
ITC राजपुताना.
ITC राजपूत एक ही होगा शायद जयपुर में.
Yeah.
और फिर वहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग गए थे क्रिकेट वाले. क्या चल रहा था मैच कुछ तो चल रहा था.
I think it was Duleep Trophy. Trophy or.
I also had couple of followers who are cricketers which was very strange. I just like to show off. And plus क्या हुआ था वहाँ पे एक बच्चा था उसका नाम था आदि और हमारी बेटियों ने उसको पकड़ लिया था because ब्राह्मी हमारे साथ गई थी even though it was just me, Durjoy and mom and we did get a help at that time. तो हम लोग सब वहाँ पे घूम रहे थे और वहाँ पे एक बच्चा था उसका नाम था आदि और वो इतना फाड़ू क्रिकेट खेलता था इतना
बहुत ही ज़्यादा सही.
एंड बच्चों ने उससे दोस्ती कर ली. फिर उसकी जो मम्मा थी उससे मम्मी ने दोस्ती कर ली. फिर बाद में पता चला कि वो दिग्गज क्रिकेटर इसलिए है क्योंकि वो पीयूष चावला का बेटा है. तो मैंने कहा ये बच्चा ऐसे शॉट पे शॉट. आई एम नॉट इवन एग्जैजरेटिंग.
Yeah. His technique was of no, there is no link, but
you can go on his page and check out one video of Adi playing cricket and you'll be amazed.
Yeah. His technique was of like an elder kid.
इतने प्यारे लोग हैं. You won't believe कितने simple इतने प्यारे. इसलिए
So you did not do dosti, mummy did dosti.
दोस्ती.
So we'll continue from this. We'll ask mummy, and then then we are hoping that CSK will win the match and Piyush Chawla will take a few wickets.
Oh yeah, he's a bowler. Sorry guys, I'm supporting him but I do not know what.
पता है ना T20 में कितने ओवर होते हैं?
20.
Very nice.
अच्छा
मुंबई इंडियन का कैप्टन कौन है ये बता?
अभी?
हाँ अभी नहीं थे 5 साल पहले.
रोहित शर्मा.
Wow.
What did you
That
think?
was
I was going to say
insane.
Virat.
No, I thought wow, very good यार. मम्मी ये मैंने अवंतिका का वर्जन पूछ लिया था बट हाउ डू वी नो पीयूष चावला?
अवंतिका के बर्थडे पे जब जयपुर गए थे तो हमें नहीं पता था कि कौन है क्या है. उनका बेटा खेल रहा था अपनी नैनी के साथ. तो हम लोग कह रहे थे कि कितना अच्छा खेलता है. फिर वो नैनी भी ऐसे लगी उसकी पूरी घर की फैमिली के मेंबर. तो हमने उसको बुला के पूछा कि बच्चा
नैनी को भी चुराना
दार्जिलिंग की थी. तो फिर उससे पूछा तो उसने बताया कि ये उनका बेटा है. तो एकदम हम इम्प्रेस हो गए. फिर सेकेंड डे मॉर्निंग में हम प्ले रूम में ले गए जब रायना को तब वो भी लेके आए. तो बट वेरी वेरी मतलब डाउन टू अर्थ फैमिली. हस्बैंड वाइफ सो नाइस.
कहाँ से आई हो तुम?
Rami? Are you like Mrs. Vicky Chawla?
That is not cool, Avantika. ब्राह्मी के पास जाते हैं. Rainer, slowly. Bhaiya, who are you supporting?
Dhoni.
So in this match CSK, but otherwise?
Otherwise KKR. And Delhi.
But between KKR and Delhi?
KKR.
And who do you think will win?
KKR.
KKR जीत जाएगी इस बारी. Okay. And आज कौन जीतेगा? We are at 150. अच्छा. Oh yeah. Oh, he did not get a retirement match. So they will gift him this. Cool. Let's see. नहीं, आधे व्लॉग में मम्मी की वही यूनिफॉर्म है.
Mummy is forbidden from wearing
That
blue
nighty, that blue black nighty.
रहना अच्छे से लगा रही हो.
ध्यान से लगा रही है कि आंखों में ना पड़ जाए, ये भी बोल रही है ना. हो गया.
रायना तुमने वहीं पे पोस्ट लिया. रायना यू गॉट टू मसाज इट इन. ऐसे करके मसाज. हाँ यस, वेरी गुड. We were waiting for this day only.
इसलिए पैदा किए थे. और एक गिलास पानी पिला दे यार.
काम तो कर देती है सारा.
कहीं नहीं करती, इतनी आलसी है.
नहीं, कहीं आलसी नहीं. आलसी हो तुझी. ओके रायना.
रायना
कर दो ना मसाज जैसे नानी करती है आपको. यस.
Raina, did you say go CSK? Raina, did you say go CSK? Not interested. Did you say go Piyush uncle?
चार्ज नहीं.
ये तो ऑयल है ये.
हेड में
Head
लग
में
रहा है.
लग
मसाज नहीं है, मसाज ही होती है.
Hi guys, so this is my video which I was supposed to do during lockdown, and of course I'm the laziest person you'll ever come across. I cannot believe मुझे बोलते हुए भी आलस आ रहा है. But seriously, I'm really lazy, and those of you who watch our vlog are familiar with my basic nature, I would say. So it took me a while to do this. So I'm going to be shaving my face. So the very first thing, because a lot of you have still been asking me, how do I shave my face? So it's so simple, it's so minimal, and you really don't need anything. I have done like a face wash, but I have not applied anything. So my skin looks very scaly at the moment, and I have been trying to do different things, but you know, there is one phase in your skin routine life, and I don't know why I'm giving you such a lecture, because I can come straight to the point. But it comes sometimes in your life, in your skincare routine, no matter what you do, no matter how good you are, how particular you are, the skin has given up on you, and this is happening to me. So nevertheless, I'm going to be shaving my face. So this particular blade, which is a single blade, so while you're choosing the blade, which is very important, that you have a blade which is clean. Make sure that you don't share it even with your sister or anybody else. It's very important to maintain the hygiene when it comes to such things. So this is a blade, and it's a single blade, and I hope you can see it. It's from Amazon or Noon or Mimoso, anywhere you can get it. It's very simple, it's very cheap also. And I do not have a lot of hair in my face right now, but still I'm just gonna go. So this is done, and it's literally just this. But the after thing, after you've done your after you shaved your face, and it's very very important that you actually go ahead and do the right thing. because your pores are basically open, right? Sorry for the lot of I use different things to actually go ahead and to close the pores. One thing could be just using aloe vera gel, and I like the one from Face Shop. I think I spoke about I spoke about it a while back, but there are other things. You can use an ice cube which is made of green tea. So you basically brew a hot green tea, and later you just put it in the ice tray and then freeze it, and then you can apply it on your skin, and it really just closes your pores for the time being. I don't recommend using like alcoholic or like any other sort of toners. It doesn't suit me, so I don't know if it suits you. You can try it. But today I made a face pack, and this is going to be a long video. So this face pack basically has what does it have? It has passion fruit seeds. So passion fruit का जो juice निकालते हैं, just उसका juice निकाला, उसके जो seeds रह गए, just that. And then I have honey, and then I have the plain yogurt. And this is such a cool mask because it's the yogurt and the honey is actually going to tighten the face anyway, and the passion fruit is such a cooling thing for your face, so it's actually going to close your pores really well. So yeah, this is what I'm doing, and I'm going to keep it for 10-15 minutes or till the time I don't get, you know, when you apply like homemade face masks, a lot of times they irritate you so much. Like it happens to me at least. I always start to smell them too much, or like I'm not a big fan, but I use them every now and then. And thank you for watching. I understand this, the real content of this video was maybe for like 10 seconds. The rest is just me yap. But thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. Bye.